to this walkthrough of adding custom skills created with the Analysis Skill Kit as tools to your AI agents. Now, the example we'll be walking through today is using a custom skill where we actually take in information from the web and we actually use an LLM within our custom skill to evaluate kind of what visa requirements there are, any health and safety information for that particular country. And all of this is going to be bundled up by the AI agent to kind of help a user actually plan an international trip for their work. Now, looking at this custom skill, you can see that it's already been published. And the output essentially is we passed in the destination as Kenya. And the output just says, hey, there's visa requirements, check travel advisories, and necessary vaccinations such as yellow fever, hepatitis A and B, and typhoid. So this is what we're going to be passing into our AI agent to help them figure out how to best guide the user to book their business travel. So we need to just make sure that we've published our custom skill, and we've already done so. Now, for those of you who might be familiar with the different deployment settings, you might find it unusual that we don't actually provide an option here for AI agents. That's because they actually have access to any and all published and activated skills. So you don't have to do anything special here to make it available for your AI agents. You just need to make sure that it's published into one of the features. And then we go to Analysis Admin and we go and find our custom skill, which is called Provide Travel Guidance. We simply click Turn On and it is activated. Now, if we go into the AI Agent Studio view, we can see that we've started working on an AI agent here that essentially acts as a travel advisor. And down here, we've given it some instructions on how to actually conduct this task, such as saying, hey, we want to make sure that this person has evaluated the health and safety risks. But now we need to give it access to our custom skill to help in its actual determination. And now the benefit here of using custom skill is the fact that we can do that web search, where we can actually go out and retrieve information directly from the web and do some pre-processing for that AI agent to make sure that what is returned is specific to that particular destination. So say add tool of type analysis skill. We say provide travel guidance skill is the name. And we need to provide a description. Now this is used by the orchestrator to figure out exactly what this particular tool is to be used for. And we say it provides information travel advisories, location. And then down here we get to select our skill. And you can see all these are the ones that have already been published in my instance and activated with Analysis Admin. Then here we can see that input variable that if we quickly return back, we can see that we had to provide in an input of type string where it's a destination. So that's already pre-populated. You can dictate if you want to have this executed in a supervised or an autonomous manner. And this just means, okay, it's going to ask the user first, is Kenya the right destination, or is it somewhere else that you want to go to? That's what supervised would look like. Autonomous just trusts that the input's correct. Display output. Do we want to actually display the output of this custom skill to the user? In our scenario, we're going to say yes. You can provide a specific processing message if you'd like. And then you can also say if you want to have that output be pretty concise or pretty verbose. In our scenario, we'd like a pretty verbose answer just because we don't want to leave out any information. So that's it. We can add more tools and give the AI agent more to work with if desired. We can add in any potential triggers. in a scenario we don't have any. We can select for this to be available within virtual agents if you'd like, but again, we don't need to do any of that. And we're just going to move straight into testing. Give me guidance when traveling to Kenya. So we're going to start a test and providing that input variable of Kenya. We see that the AI agent has decided, yep, the provide travel guidance tool is a tool that I need to use in this scenario. And we see based upon that initial input that it actually set the variable as Kenya for the destination. And we have our agent returning this directly from the skill. And you can see all that has occurred within this options on the right, such as underneath the tool option, we can see exactly what was returned. In this section here, this is a response directly from the LLM from our custom skill that then the AI agent was able to use when coming up with this answer for that particular user. It was then able to kind of extrapolate from the information that we provided in the custom skill to return additional information such as websites and whatnot that might help. So all in all, this is how you deploy and use a custom skill within your AI agents. I hope this was helpful. Thank you.